Hey guys, just got a glimpse of the snow-covered mountains from the downside before reaching to Manali. Just wanted to show you. Check this out. Hey friends, good morning and welcome back to our channel Tour with us. My name is Paul and today we are in Manali. So after 5 days of traveling from Bangalore to Manali, finally we reached here and it's an awesome place. I came Manali long way before, but I couldn't explore much of the places, so we have some plans to visit some of the places and see what we can capture. And yesterday's journey was hell lot of tiring. The roads were pretty much bad, the landslides were there, the roads were just open yesterday when we were coming, and day before yesterday it was closed, so luckily we got saved. Today we are staying at Rohtang Heights resort, and this is pretty much a good resort, and the main part which I want to show you is the view from the balcony, which I think will be a mesmerizing one. You guys can see my skin got burned here because of the travel. I didn't wear balaclava. I am not wearing those, and even Anu is also not wearing, so she has also burned her face. But yeah, the main part is, do you want to see that, guys? Just check this out. This is the balcony, and from here the view starts. The straight one. This one is the Rohtang top where we are thinking of going, and check this particular view. You can hear the noise of water, it's flowing very heavily. Just check this. And this is also one. Down, this is the road towards Manali Mall Road, so we need to go this side, this particular road till Leh. Hope you guys like the view from the balcony. If you like it, do mention it in the comment section. I'll be waiting for your comments, and now is the time for us for breakfast, so we'll catch you up in a bit.
Hey guys, just now we have done with our RT-PCR test for the first time. I thought I don't have to do it, but for Ladakh it is required. Some people are saying that it might not required, but nowadays they are not taking it that much. But can't take risk. Anyway, we came from Bangalore till Manali, then Ladakh, so why to take risk? But it's good for us also. Today's plan is, first this we are done with the RT-PCR test, which is the most important thing, and then we are going for some sightseeing in Manali only. We are not going out of Manali for today. I have my office also. So for RT-PCR it took us around 1 hour. There are so long queue. Everyone is traveling to Ladakh. They told that tomorrow evening they will send us the report, and our plan is day after tomorrow early morning we'll start for Ladakh. Now we are waiting for our cab, and then we'll proceed for our sightseeing in Manali. Hey guys, after we done our RT-PCR test, now we are heading towards Harimba temple. So this is one of the tourist attractions in Manali. So there is a zip line, but I'm not sure where it is and how it is. If possible, we will do, and we'll see the charges first, definitely, of that. Actually, we like to do adventure sports. This type of Not only the tourists, not only the road trips. Only road is not the full stuff. We want to explore the place. Want to do some activities as well.
And for sightseeing, what we believe is that like we travel by bike, it's definitely a good thing. But if you want to really visit the good places, then I think what we do is we usually hire a cab and then we try to locate all the spots, try to get all the things so that we don't miss the important parts. And we definitely, as a tourist, it's in hilly area especially, the roads and all, you are not, means we are not used to of many hilly areas, so it's better to go with the local cabs.
Again, steps came and we have to go
Up and away. So this is the particular place. Just to look around. And there is a yak. चलो There's some good things. Huh? So here people are selling kesar. Most of the people.
This is
And
the original kesar. What we get? Those are artificial. I don't know what they are selling.
सर शिलाजीत देखोगे शिलाजीत केसर
we reached the temple. Let me show you the glimpse.
हमें तो
नीचे है This is the whole look around. There is another temple over there, Bhattapat temple. अच्छा, the Hrimban है, Hrimban.
Hey guys, we are doing some activities, that is the river crossing. I'm not sure my voice is audible or not. Anu is getting ready for river crossing rides, and this is how they will tie up. I was not aware of this particular activity, but let's see how is it done. So, wait for the video.
फोटो ऐसे रखो ला रात पे तुम्हारा क्या व्यक्त तारीख भी है या लगा गुड़िया लो वहाँ क्या मेरे बहुत है फोटो लेके ना मैडम बात ठीक करो हाँ हाथ पकड़ो जुआन देखेगा तो भैया तू भी हैंडशेक हाँ ये देखो
Hey guys, now we are visiting one of the monastery. So before that we went to the clubhouse, but we didn't enter the clubhouse as there were some indoor games and all, and we didn't thought of entering that place. So we came out and we are here in one of the monastery, and just opposite to that is the park, which are the tourist attractions in Manali. So just the back side. This is the gate of the monastery. No mask, no entry. Let's go inside and see what we can capture. This is the, after entering through the gate, there are lots of flowers.
Flowers. Different shades of pink.
It's a beautiful garden in the path of the monastery. And check this out. So these are the places where monks stays. And this is full picture. We have to go by this side. Hey guys, now we are at Banvihar, Manali. So we need to get the tickets. 50 rupees each?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. What is there? It's generally a park.
Today's temperature is so much hot. Today we are feeling so hot, but inside this is very nice and peaceful. But this is crowded. There are quite a lot of people. So we are keeping a bit distance and we are moving. Come, let's see how it is.
This is the washroom area.
Oh, sorry. I started with the washroom area.
And this is the main board.
Okay. Drinking water, children's play area, refreshment point.
And boating point.
Boating. Oh, boating is also there. Then let's go and we'll do the boating first. 2-3 years back, that time we went only to Sogan Valley. We never explored Manali. Let's just explore Manali and then we'll see where else we can go. So we have tomorrow also. Tomorrow also we are in Manali and we'll decide where we can go. See those rabbits. Manali special.
They are charging 20 rupees for clicking a pic with the big fatty rabbit, and those are really looking very cute.
Or you want to do the pregnant photo?
Where is the boat?
Oh, only this one.
Huh.
No point. I thought real river. No, I'm not going down to boat only this much.
So guys, just check this. So that's the only boating area. So you need to come down, go down, 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 down. But
See, after going that many steps, only this much boating. No, I think this time we'll skip this.
yeah,
What are
if you have kids, then definitely this could be one of the good place where they can enjoy. So for teenagers, I'm not sure how much good is this particular place, but yeah, it's okay, man. Museums of Machu Picchu. Okay, I found something. Let me show you this board. So that's all what we got for today in Manali sightseeing. So we'll now go back to the hotel. Today this place we didn't find any exciting. So possibly tomorrow with another day, and we'll think which way to go for tomorrow. So till now, chalo, bye bye.